California's drought is getting worse. Let's all do our part to find new ways to save water and help our community. There's enough water to use, but not a drop to waste. Today's tip to conserve in Contra Costa is to lose your lawn and get a garden. During hot and dry summers, lawns require a lot of water and a lot of maintenance. If you don't use your lawn, consider replacing it with drought-tolerant plants. Once established, drought-tolerant plants need less water, even when days are long and temperatures soar. A water-wise yard could cut your irrigation needs in half compared to the lawn. If you'd like to convert your lawn into a water-wise garden, we provide our customers with expert design assistance and up to $1,000 in rebates. Visit us online to find out how. During this drought, let's conserve in Contra Costa.